what's up? Hope you all are doing good. And yes, today I came with another tutorial. Yeah, so from now onwards, basically, I came with one series, that is hip hop series. I'll be teaching you all party moves. Yeah, so we'll go from the basic. Remember the foundation. The foundation is bounce and rock. Yeah, so we'll learn bounce and rock today. Yeah, and one more thing, this is really important. If you have not done warm up before any physical activities, you must do. Yeah, because you might get injured. And yes, so if you haven't done warm up, I'll put the warm up video in the I button, so you can just go there and you can check there. Yeah, after that again you have to come back and you have to start the bouncing, yeah, and rock. So let's get started. So first thing, when you're bouncing, you have to keep your feet your shoulder apart. You can just be in your comfort zone. And now from there, if you know, the bounce is nothing but like moving down and up, going down and up. Yeah, so and again rock is nothing but leaning forward and back, or leaning back and forward. Yeah, so as you kept your feet your shoulder apart, first thing you have to remember, you are gonna fold your knees and you're gonna go down. Fold your knee and go down and come up. Yeah, so again go down and come up, go down and come up. I'll show you from the side view. So see here, you're going down and you're coming up. You're folding your knees and coming up. Yeah, now as you did that, now next thing you have to remember is you're gonna place your arms down and you have to pull your elbows up and drop it down. Again pull your elbows up and drop it down. Yeah, and remember, while pulling your elbows up, your elbows means your arms should not be closer to your chest, like you don't have to do this. Remember, your elbows should be out and it should be your shoulder. Yeah, you can just do this as well. You can just do this, going down and up. Yeah, if you're adding your arm, that is adds one more flavor in your bounce. Yeah, so as you kept your arm here, you can keep it like you can make a fist to make it more clean. Yeah, or you can just do this also, but it will look bit like clumsy kind of. Yeah, so you can keep it here, and while going down you have to pull your elbows up till here, your shoulder level. Then again while coming up you have to drop your arms down. Yeah, so let's see, let's do it. 5 6 7, see here. So 1 and 2, and again 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, now one more thing, if you are crunching your stomach, that will make your bounce much more groovy and it will look more good. Yeah, crunch your stomach in the sense you have to push your pelvic forward and you have to crunch your stomach, and you have to fold your knees and you're gonna go down and you're coming up, and again crunch your stomach and come up, again crunch. Yeah, that you have to remember. And one more thing, when you're bouncing, I just told you your pelvic should be forward, not behind. Don't do squat. You don't have to do squat. Yeah, fine. So yeah, those 3 things you have to remember. You're folding your knees and going down and coming up, and the arm, then again you have to crunch your stomach. Yeah, these 3 things. Now we will be rocking. So rock is nothing but leaning forward and back, forward and back. So here what you have to do, just I will show you from the side view so you can understand better. So see here, you lean forward and lean back, lean forward and lean back, lean forward and lean back. Yeah, and yeah, so that is the first thing. Now what we will do, we will be we will go bits down. So fold your knee, be in this position. So think this is your natural position, and from there you are gonna lean forward and you are leaning back. So lean forward and lean back, lean forward and lean back, lean forward and lean back, lean forward and lean. Yeah. So that is rock. Yes. So now, yeah, as you finish that, I'll show you with the music, like how you have to do with the music. So you can go in 3 levels. So remember, first you have to complete the first level, then you have to go to the second level. Yeah, don't directly jump to the second level or third level. Yeah. So we can go with the music. We can go in the slow bass. Then again we'll go medium. Then we'll try to do faster. Yeah. So let's do it with the music. We are done. Thank you so much. And yes, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do that, and please press the bell icon so you will get all the notifications whatever I do upload. And one more thing, please do subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.